Ever wondered if your ultra-secure, air-gapped ELLIPAL cold wallet can also be your one-stop shop for acquiring crypto? It's a question that pops up a lot, especially for those who prioritize security but also crave convenience in the fast-paced world of digital assets. We all know the ELLIPAL is lauded for its ironclad security, keeping your private keys offline and safe from online threats. But what about the initial jump into crypto? Can you truly buy crypto directly with your ELLIPAL, or is there a more nuanced process involved? Let's break down the reality of buying crypto when your primary security tool is an ELLIPAL. The ELLIPAL hardware wallet, like the Titan and Titan Mini, is designed for maximum security. Its defining feature is its air-gapped nature. This means it has no direct connection to the internet, no Wi-Fi, no Bluetooth, no USB. It communicates with its companion ELLIPAL app on your smartphone using QR codes. This offline nature is precisely what makes it so secure, preventing remote attacks and keeping your private keys isolated. Now, when you consider buying crypto, that typically involves interacting with an exchange or a third-party service that facilitates the purchase of digital assets using fiat currency, like USD, Euro, or NGN. Since the ELLIPAL hardware wallet itself doesn't have an internet connection, it cannot directly initiate or process a fiat-to-crypto purchase. Think of it like this. Your physical safe at home is excellent for storing your valuables, but you can't use it to instantly buy gold from an online dealer. You first need to acquire the gold and then place it in your safe. So, how does it work with ELLIPAL? The ELLIPAL ecosystem smartly integrates with third-party services through its mobile app. The ELLIPAL app, which runs on your smartphone, acts as the bridge. Within the app, you'll find options to buy cryptocurrency. These options leverage integrated payment providers like MoonPay or Simplex, which are well-known services that allow users to buy crypto using various payment methods, including credit/debit cards, bank transfers, Apple Pay, and Google Pay. Here's the typical flow. You open the ELLIPAL app on your phone. You select the Buy Crypto option. The app then connects you to one of its integrated third-party payment partners. You'll choose the cryptocurrency you want to buy, enter the amount, and select your preferred payment method. During this process, you will likely go through a Know Your Customer (KYC) verification with the payment provider, as this is standard practice for fiat-to-crypto transactions to comply with financial regulations. Once your payment is processed and the transaction is confirmed by the third-party service, the purchased cryptocurrency is then sent directly to your ELLIPAL wallet address, which is securely linked to your air-gapped hardware device through the app's QR code communication. This means you can buy crypto and have it sent directly to your ELLIPAL managed wallet, but the actual purchase transaction itself occurs through a third-party payment gateway integrated within the ELLIPAL app, not directly on the hardware wallet device. The ELLIPAL cold wallet then acts as the secure recipient and offline storage for your newly acquired assets. It's a crucial distinction, ensuring that while you benefit from the convenience of buying crypto through the app, the ultimate security of your private keys remains with the air-gapped device. This hybrid approach offers both the accessibility of online purchasing and the unparalleled security of cold storage. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.